Welcome back to Explore. I'm here at the La Chaparral Tower Mansion. I've been spending 2.5 months here. I'm leaving Bangkok now. I was planning to take a train to Chiang Mai, and I'm not doing that anymore. And then go down all the way to back to Bangkok from Chiang Mai. But no, I'm not doing that. I'm gonna actually cycle all the way to Chiang Mai within like about a week. And that's gonna be pretty fun and exciting, but I was planning to take the train up there and then go down. Oh, but I'm doing the opposite. I'm gonna tell you why in a second. Oh, electric bicycle is working. That's gonna be crazy. The first time I actually tried the whole setup with so many kilos, and I have no idea if it's gonna work for 1 day, 2 days, a week, 500 days. No, I'm not gonna need 500 days. I'm thinking to go to the Philippines. So it's 6 p.m. It's gonna get dark within the next 1 hour, half an hour. And I hope I'm not gonna get an accident right away today. Wow, that's gonna be intense. I can tell you that. That's gonna be intense. So today I don't even need to use my legs at all because I'm only going 80 kilometers, so I could just use the electricity, but come on, I'm not that lazy. And oh shit, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay, right. Oh yeah, so I took the wrong way already. Never mind. Let's go back. Yeah, I don't have credit on my phone anymore, and I have to charge it. Charge my phone, so that's very important. I spent a few days without credits, without data. Well, fine, because I was just staying at home. But now I'm on a big trip. Video. I don't have much of a choice because I don't have a new hard drive, so I have very little space left now. So for this 1 week trip, I'm not gonna make that many videos, so I'm gonna make one short one. So I definitely took the wrong way here, but alright, so I'm gonna stop this video getting to the Lotus, the supermarket, to get my oh wow, sunset already. First time I'm gonna have to ride like 2-3 hours in absolute darkness. I might reach, if I'm lucky, around 9 p.m. If I ride well, and if I'm not, a little later. Hopefully not later than 10. Alright, that's the Lotus. And that's where I'm supposed to buy internet credit, because I have an AIS SIM card, and You can only charge from his shop. 7-Eleven doesn't have it. Anyways, thanks for watching. That was Explore. Hit the like button if you like this video. See you in the next one.